Welcome to the crash course on Java. This course is created by Jaysmito Mukherjee and the voice is of Microsoft David Desktop English, United States. This is the first video of the crash course on Java playlist by Jaysmito Mukherjee, and in this video you are going to get an overview, or know the contents of this crash course. You will get to know what you will get from this course. This is going to be a very long course, so it is divided into a number of videos. By the way, if you are an absolute beginner, then you must see the crash course on object-oriented programming video for better understanding this, but if you already know about it, then no need to worry. You can get to that video from the link in the up right corner. Stay until the end for a special surprise. Now you may think, why to learn Java, and not any other programming language? As there are lots of programming languages like this. So the answer to that question is that Java is one of the easiest programming language to learn to is beginner friendly. It has lots of features which makes it simpler, which you will learn later in the course. Java is also very used nowadays in making softwares, mobile apps, etc. Please subscribe to the channel for latest updates on this course, and also like this video for encouraging me to make more videos of this course, as every single viewer matters to me. Now let's check the contents of the course. First, about Java and little bit of its history. History will be very little so that it does not become boring. Then about how Java works. Choosing an IDE for Java. You will learn about IDE later. Then about fundamental concepts like tokens, data type, etc. Then you will learn basic programming like taking inputs, errors, debugging, etc. Then you will learn to use conditions and conditional structures like if else, switch, etc. Then iterations. Then about using functions or methods. Then basic library classes like math class, string class, etc. Then you will learn more about use of class for proper object-oriented programming. That means creating a custom data type. Then about constructors. Then you will learn to use array. Then you will learn to implement features of object-oriented programming like polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance. You will learn about error handling. Then file management. Then advanced library classes like big integer, string buffer, etc. Then about collection framework. Then about complexity and ways to reduce complexity. Then about data structures and related algorithms only in Java. Then about graph algorithms. Then about basics of artificial intelligence. Then basic game coding in Java, making a simple game with practical. Then graphics user interface or GUI, creating interactive windows. This is really cool. Then digital image processing. Then advanced algorithms. Last but not the least, making proper softwares with practical. Wait, there one last surprise for you. There will also be 5 full-fledged Java projects along with step-by-step explanation, and source code will also be provided. The topics of the projects will be declared later. For any queries or doubts or requests, please comment below. You will surely be replied within a day. Please check for all updates on this course. Also please subscribe to the channel for getting more of this type of videos, and please like or even dislike the video, as your involvement encourages me. And please share this video to others, as every view matters.